To manually add a wireless Wi-Fi network to a MacBook, you can simply follow these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, open the MacBook and click on the Apple menu in the top left corner. And from the drop-down menu, select System Settings or System Preferences depending on your macOS version. Now, once inside the System Settings, tap on the Network option available there. Now, once you tap on the network, you can see Wi-Fi option available. Simply tap on the Wi-Fi and ensure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. Then, inside Wi-Fi, scroll down and there you will get to see other option available. Simply tap on it. Now all you have to do is enter the exact name SSID of the Wi-Fi network, then select the correct security type, then enter the Wi-Fi password and check the box for remember this network if you want to save the connection for future use and click join to connect the network. Once connected, the network should appear in the Wi-Fi list with a check mark. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.